Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to track your AliExpress package. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders right here. Now find order that you want to track and press button Track Order, or it can also say View Details. So now you should see something similar to what I have on my screen. This is a screenshot of tracking information page. So you can see here your estimated delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates right here. So for example, my screenshot says that shipment is ready for dispatch, but yours can say something like shipped, ready for delivery, arrived at sorting center, etc. It depends on at which stage your package currently is. But if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by using this copy button and pasting it to universal tracker like 17 tracker. This is the name of it. This is tracker that AliExpress suggests me to use. But actually it doesn't really matter which exactly tracker you use, because they all work according to similar principles. So you can just, in your Safari, you can type tracker, package tracker, and use it. So it will show you more detailed information about your shipping updates of your package. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.